instead of the usual piano sound, I will use a organ type of sound like this. The reason is that this sound is sustained, it doesn't decay, so I will hold these notes to give you time to sing and match the intonation of these notes. And I will explain more as we go into the exercises, but I just want to warn you about this. And one more very important thing, I suggest you use headphones to take this course. And I don't mean just earbuds, I mean headphones, the ones that cover your ears. And I suggest you put one on your ear and take the other one off your other ear so that you can hear in this one really well the intonation of the notes I'm going to play. But having this one off your ear will ensure that you hear yourself also really well. Because if you hear only the sound that I'm making, you might miss a little bit of how you are matching those notes with your voice. So one on, one off. And that this is actually very important. So if you don't have a pair of headphones, I urge you to go buy one. They don't need to be super duper good, but they need to cover your ear. And so the one that is on your ear has to be able to really cover your ear so that this ear is completely immersed in the sounds that I'm playing on the recording.